The Industrial Revolution was a significant period of economic and societal change that began in Britain during the late 18th century before spreading to Europe and North America. It represented a shift from an agrarian and handcraft-centric economy to one dominated by industry and machine manufacturing. The revolution began with the mechanization of the textile industry and the development of steam power. Key inventions such as the spinning jenny, power loom, and the steam engine played pivotal roles. The steam engine, in particular, powered factories, railways, and ships, revolutionizing transportation and facilitating trade. The introduction of new manufacturing processes led to an increase in productivity, shifting populations from rural areas to cities where factories were located, leading to urbanization. The Industrial Revolution is often divided into two phases. The first, circa 1760 to 1840, was characterized by the development of textiles and iron. The second, circa 1850 to 1914, featured greater advancements in technology, including the widespread use of rail transportation and the advent of processes like the Bessemer process for steel production. The Industrial Revolution had profound effects on society. It led to significant increases in living standards for many, but it also resulted in harsh working and living conditions for the working class. These societal changes laid the foundation for modern industrial society and continue to shape our world today.